everyone, so let's move towards our today's topic, which is
development of urinary bladder. As we all know, urinary bladder is basically the reservoir or the storage point for the urine, and from that it enters into the urethra, and then after urethra it will excrete out of the body. It will move out of the body. So what happened? This urine is formed in the kidney. From kidney it will reaches the urinary bladder through ureter. Okay, we have discussed the development of kidney and ureter in a separate lecture. In this lecture we will gonna talk about the development of urinary bladder and urethra. Okay, now urinary bladder basically before starting this topic you need to know what is cloaca. Cloaca basically, we know that gut tube, hindgut, midgut and foregut, midgut and hindgut. So at the end of hindgut there is a swelling called as cloaca. That cloaca further develops into many structures of the digestive system, many organs like in digestive system, as well as the organs related to reproduction. Those organs are developed from cloaca. So basically cloaca divides into two parts. First part is urogenital sinus and the second part is anal sinus. Anal sinus develops into reproductive parts, which we will discuss in another lecture, but in this topic we will gonna talk about this urogenital sinus, which is a part of the cloaca. This urogenital sinus further divided into three parts: the vesical part, the pelvic part and the phallic part. The phallic part will develop into some of the reproductive part, so we will not discuss in this lecture. In this lecture the most important part is vesical part and the pelvic part, because these parts are forming the urinary bladder and the urethra. So basically the vesical part of the urogenital sinus, that vesical part will form the epithelium of the urinary bladder, and the mesenchyme which is present nearby will develop the muscles of the urinary bladder and the connective tissue. Okay, one more thing, this cloaca which is divided, this cloaca is connected with the allantois. Okay, and we know that allantois is used for exchange of blood and some other things as well, but this allantois will develop into umbilical cord, which will connect the this is basically the structure which connects the urinary bladder with the umbilicus, with the belly button. So that part is formed by allantois. Okay, and obviously further development of urinary bladder will cause the mesenchyme to develop the urethra as well. So basically the mesenchyme of the kidney develops the ureter, and the mesenchyme of the urinary bladder develops into urethra. Okay, which is obviously we know that urethra, from urethra the urine will the urine will excrete out of the body. Okay, and this urethra is also derived from vesical part of the urogenital sinus. During this whole process the pelvic part of the urogenital sinus will somewhat help in the whole process. ठीक है, थोड़ा बहुत हेल्प कर देगा pelvic part of the urogenital sinus, but ज़्यादातर vesical part ही फॉर्म करता है. अब आपको ऐसा लग रहा होगा कि यार ये तो बहुत शॉर्ट टॉपिक है. ऑब्वियसली दिस इज़ अ वेरी शॉर्ट टॉपिक एंड दिस इज़ वेरी easiest topic, so you can easily memorize it and you can easily understand this thing. Okay, so these are some of the important points. Till then, work hard, study hard and good luck. Take care. Bye bye. Thank you so much.